Hello everyone. Are you ready to find words that begin with the letter V? Remember, the letter V makes the sound V. V. Let's go under the sea and take a look. Oh, what's this? It's a van. Does van begin with V? V, V, van. V, V, van. Yes, it does. Here comes another word. What's this? It's a panda. Does panda begin with V? V, V, panda. V, V, panda. No, it doesn't. Bye-bye. Hello, here's another. What's this one? It's a violin. Does violin begin with V? V, V, violin. V, V, violin. Yes, it does. What's next? It's a car. Does car begin with V? V, V, car. V, V, car. No, it doesn't. Bye-bye. And here comes the last word. What is it? It's a volcano. Does volcano begin with V? V, V, volcano. V, V, volcano. Yes, it does. Fantastic. Good job, everyone. Today we found a van, violin, and volcano. And they all start with the letter V. See you next time under the sea at Play English School. Bye!